Welcome to Trump Wire, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I've shoveled things you wouldn't want to look at. Mud, concrete, debris, sometimes things I can't even name. If you've ever worked a day on a construction site, you know it's not for the faint of heart. The work is tough, the hours are long, and the mess is just part of the job. I've seen jobs that are dirty, dangerous, and downright strange. From balancing on beams high above the ground to crawling through cramped, muddy trenches, I've done it all. Every day brings a new challenge, and sometimes a new hazard. But I never thought I'd see a robot swinging a hammer, at least the high-tech version of one. The idea seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie, not something you'd actually see on a real job site. We always pictured robots in clean factories, assembling gadgets or sorting packages, working in spotless, climate-controlled environments. That's where they belonged, right? Far away from the mud and chaos of construction. The idea of a robot on a messy, unpredictable construction site, that felt like science fiction. Construction is wild, full of surprises. How could a robot handle that? Construction is about human hands, intuition, and years of hard-earned skill. It's about reading the weather, feeling the weight of a beam, knowing when something just feels off. That's not something you can teach a machine. At least, that's what I thought. So when I heard robots were building entire houses, I was skeptical. I thought, no way a robot can do what we do. I wasn't alone. Most of the crew felt the same. But then you see it in action, and it's jaw-dropping. The precision, the speed, the way it never gets tired or distracted. It's like watching the future unfold right in front of you. It's not about replacing people, it's about giving them a powerful new tool. Robots can handle the heavy lifting, the repetitive tasks, the dangerous jobs, while people focus on what they do best: problem-solving, creativity, and craftsmanship. Think about it. We went from handsaws to power saws, from muscle to machines. Every generation gets new tools that make the job safer and more efficient. From mixing concrete by hand to using cement trucks, we've always found ways to work smarter, not just harder. This is just the next step in that evolution. This is the next step. Robots are the new tools, and they're changing the game in ways we're only beginning to understand. We're talking about robots that can raise walls, place beams, and do it all with a level of accuracy that's hard for even the best human crews to match. They can assemble a home with breathtaking precision, following digital blueprints down to the millimeter. It's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. This isn't a gimmick. It's happening right now, solving real problems like affordable housing and labor shortages. In places where there aren't enough skilled workers, robots are stepping in to fill the gap, making it possible to build more homes faster and for less money. It's a new chapter in how we build the world. The rules are changing and the possibilities are endless, and it's turning out to be more exciting and more important than anyone imagined. We're not just building structures, we're building the future. One robot-assisted project at a time. It's a dirty job, but now it's getting a high-tech makeover. The job I never saw coming is here, and it's changing everything I thought I knew about construction. Let's get specific. Imagine a home that looks like it belongs in the next century but is being built right now, with technology that's transforming the way we think about construction. In Switzerland, a modern timber house was constructed in just 3 days, a feat that would have seemed impossible not long ago. Not months, just days. The process began with a bare foundation, and in less than 72 hours, a fully enclosed structure stood ready, defying traditional timelines. This digital timber house was meticulously designed on a computer with every beam, panel, and joint mapped out in a detailed 3D model. The digital blueprint acted as the brain of the operation, guiding every step with precision and eliminating guesswork from the build. Built from sustainable wood, the house is not only strong and energy efficient, but also environmentally friendly, proving that futuristic construction can be both green and welcoming. The company behind this innovation used off-site prefabrication, where components were crafted in a controlled factory environment, and then relied on on-site robotic assembly for flawless execution. Think of it as assembling a giant, ultra-precise model kit, each piece factory cut to exact specifications, then delivered to the site ready for assembly. A robotic arm, mounted on a mobile platform, carefully placed each component exactly where it belonged, following the digital plan down to the millimeter. The result? The unmatched efficiency of a factory combined with the adaptability of on-site construction, creating a seamless workflow. What's truly revolutionary is the speed and silence. No roaring saws, no chaotic hammering, just quiet, methodical progress. The robot worked tirelessly, never needing a break, following the digital instructions with perfect accuracy and consistency. In just a long weekend, the entire house frame was up, a glimpse into the future of construction, where rapid builds become the new normal. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and it's revolutionizing the way we build homes, making construction faster, cleaner, and smarter than ever before. So how does a robot build a house? It starts with architects and engineers creating a detailed 3D model, every beam, every joint mapped out digitally. The design is sent to a factory, where automated machines cut and label each timber piece with precision. These prefabricated parts are loaded onto a truck in the exact order needed. On-site, a robotic arm, running on tracks, is set up. Using sensors and the digital blueprint, the robot picks up each piece and places it perfectly. It secures beams, checks alignment, and repeats piece by piece until the frame is complete. The process is relentless, efficient, and mesmerizing to watch. In days, a pile of wood becomes a home. The biggest advantage of robotic construction? Its speed, unmatched by traditional methods. Imagine a house frame going up in just 3 days. That's not just fast, it's revolutionary for the industry. This means families can move into their dream homes much sooner, neighborhoods experience less noise and disruption, and builders can take on more projects in less time. Safety is another huge win. Robots take on the heaviest, most dangerous tasks, keeping human workers out of harm's way and reducing the risk of accidents on site. Precision is where robots truly shine. Every cut, every placement, every angle is executed with perfect accuracy, following digital plans down to the millimeter. This level of precision means stronger, more energy-efficient homes and far less material wasted during construction, making the process more sustainable. While the technology does require a significant upfront investment, it dramatically cuts down on labor hours, reduces costly material waste, and helps keep projects on schedule, avoiding expensive delays. Over time, these savings could make high-quality, energy-efficient homes more affordable and accessible to more people. Robots don't get tired, don't need breaks, and don't make mistakes from fatigue. They can work around the clock, ensuring consistent quality. The result? Better buildings, completed faster, and safer for everyone involved, from workers to future homeowners. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about raising the bar for what's possible in construction, blending human expertise with robotic precision. The future of building is precise, fast, and safer than ever before, thanks to this powerful partnership between people and machines. And this is only the beginning. The potential for growth and innovation is enormous. Imagine the possibilities as this technology spreads worldwide, transforming how we build, live, and shape our communities for generations to come. Robotic construction isn't just about speed, it's about transforming communities. After disasters, robots could rebuild neighborhoods in months, not years. For affordable housing, lower costs and faster builds mean more homes for families who need them. Digital design allows for variety, no more cookie-cutter boxes. Robots use materials efficiently, cutting waste and supporting sustainability. Wood, a renewable resource, is optimized for strength and minimal waste. Eco-friendly building becomes practical and affordable. Faster, custom homes mean more people can live in spaces tailored to their needs. The look and feel of neighborhoods could change. More diversity, more innovation. This is about building better places to live, not just faster ones. What happens to workers when robots arrive? It's a real concern, but this isn't about replacing people, it's about evolving their roles. The construction site of the future will need skilled technicians to program, manage, and maintain robots. New jobs will blend traditional know-how with digital skills. The focus shifts from brute force to technical oversight. This could attract a new generation, tech-savvy, creative, and eager to build. It also makes jobs safer and less physically demanding. Training and education will be key. Trade schools must adapt, and companies must invest in their people. The wisdom of experienced builders will still be vital to guide technology and solve complex problems. The toolbox is changing, but skilled hands and smart minds are more important than ever. That house built in 3 days isn't just a building, it's a glimpse of the future. The technology is here, and it's working. The question is, how quickly we'll adapt. This robotic revolution is about more than efficiency. It's about hope. Hope for quality homes, faster disaster recovery, and new high-tech jobs. It's about building smarter and gentler on our planet. There will be challenges, technical, economic, and educational. But the momentum is real and the possibilities are staggering. From a Swiss experiment to a global movement, this is the next chapter in our story as tool builders. It's about using technology to amplify our humanity and build a better future. And that's a job worth getting excited about.